how the game works. As you can see, it's sped up, and the data is moving extremely quickly. But up right here, you can slow it down.
Hey, don't rush me.
I didn't even know it had volume.
Turn that down a little bit.
But as you can see,
Yeah,
you can bring it down to 10 ticks per second,
yeah,
which slows the data a lot more down. And right there, you're able to see that it's much more manageable and not more expensive.
Sensible.
Could you turn it up a little now?
Sure.
I didn't even remember that.
And then,
I always keep the sound off.
Do you know what 10 ticks equates to in real time?
Because you don't know the actual time interval, ticks could technically mean anything. They could mean days, weeks.
Position is long.
Okay.
You could see that you could be days, weeks. They could be seconds, minutes. Like it could be really anything.
I have a stupid trick.
Assuming with like how much the values are moving, it can be like a day. So as you can see, it's calculating how much you're making, and this is your percent of your equity that you're risking per trade, 10%. So that would be $1,000 out of 10,000. So you're buying as many shares as you can, 8 in this case, with $1,000. And as you can see,
Stop loss activated.
Position is flat. Unlucky. Try again.
I love it.
Position
I
is
turn
short.
the sound down. As you can see right here,
Okay.
you can actually drag stop losses to follow the price. I just did this like PowerPoint and just to talk a little bit about the game so we can read some more specifics. And seems good. So it was created by the guy named Garrity Rokous, and the name of the website is precisiontradesystems.com. And so I was just saying what are some of the benefits of the game, and the game it helps you to learn how to like follow trends better and like stick with the trend. And going off something that we learned in Mr. Watt's class. Check, just like wait to see. Here you go. Oh, you were dragging it, so there you go.
Yeah,
now he's dragging
now
it.
you can drag it.
Oh, now he's making $500. There you go.
And that's an easy trend.
Yeah. Look at that. So now he's at $600, $800 almost a
Yeah,
profit.
follow that.
800,
And
900.
you can tighten your
1,000.
stop because the trend is so easy to
Stock has
follow.
completely changed character.
Yep.
Yeah, exactly.
So this makes me wonder, you have a change of character like that. This is presumably over months or years, right?
Right.
So this is why this back testing of, I would back test to the point where it has this kind of pattern, but I don't think you want to back test all the way back to, the Stone Age.
Because
It's changed significantly.
I agree.
And there actually are a lot of
That-
great
that's
articles
actually
talking
why-
about backtesting and not going back. You want if the stock itself has changed or a market has changed its like a character,
Yeah.
you want to be able to get out
Raise
of
that
that
stock.
sort of
Yeah.
phasing. You want to you want to get to like if like whatever character the market has currently is what you want.
Yeah,
to
that's
get.
what I try to do.
Any
When
type
I do read my indicators.
I think you can get. I think one thing that's nice about this and not having it be indicator crazy is that it really gets you just to focus on the stock.
So if you guys were interested, this is a YouTube video which Roger did, and as you can look on the side, this is he back tested it based on I think 10 years worth of data, and this is the precision stop loss working. He set it going, and it has a customizable strategy which is completely automated and will buy and sell for you. He set it on a market on 10 years worth of data, starting at $10,000 capital, and ended with $176 million over 10 years, and that wouldn't be touching the indicator at all. So if you were interested in thinking about whether this indicator would work well, if you can customize it well and find the right market, it can work extremely well and make a lot of money. And the strategy itself is completely automated, so it works extremely well. And this is the video of him backtesting.
What type of market was it?
I'm not.
These are you can download the stocks. It's the UK.
I think
UK stock
these are
market.
treasuries or something like this?
No, I think these are the top. I think they're 30 stock or their number of stocks from the UK.
Yeah, he's based in London. So at the bottom, actually, if you scroll down lower on this, you can actually he says you can download the different stocks. So
Yeah,
those are
here's so he used 70 stocks and
Oh, okay.
you can figure out which ones they are.
So he used the data from 70 stocks over the course of 10 years. And
Exactly.
Correct.
It's like so basically saying like if you had gone 10 years back and done this, this is what would happen. and then here's like talking about the prizes. I got this from the website. So the winner of the World Championship has the possibility to win 2 subscriptions to different live trading accounts. One's a lifetime license to multi-charts, and the other one's a 1-year subscription to NinjaTrader.
For you?
It did. Come on.
There you go.
Run. Oh, come on.
Oh, I saw it.
There
Yeah.
it is.
Yay! Okay.
Yeah.
Start the game. There we go. This is so much fun. This is great.
Yeah. See, I mean, like anyone who's already tried out the game can tell you that it's pretty fun, and you definitely get into it. I mean, like at first you're just trying to get the best score you can, and then after a certain point you're just trying to like go off the most amount of money you can. And you know what we're going to talk about in terms of giving our own personal strategies, the strategies that Mr. Watt and I used. I can say personally, this is the game data loading, and as you can see, the price here is starting at $760.73. You're starting with $10,000 of equity, and the default stop loss distance is at 15%. So these are the indicators you win, and these indicators will go into a little bit, and you can probably demo later. And also you're able to have your name on the Hall of Fame, and also the 2nd and 3rd place winners also get free indicators and the 6 and 9 month subscription to the NinjaTrader.
Oh, you can get free. Oh, wow. Mock Trend Platinum.
Exactly, yeah. You get the mock trend for 2nd and 3rd place as well as the 1st. You also get the precision index oscillator and the precision lagless average. And anyone who's in our class remembers Mr. Watt talking about the precision lagless average and about how good that is. And this is the guy who created those indicators and a lot of other indicators as well that work extremely well.
Look at this stock. This is a nice
Okay, yeah, why
trending
don't you
one.
buy now, because it looks like you're in an uptrend.
Yeah.
Okay, move your stop loss up there.
So as you can see, like
Move
this
it
is,
up more, because you wanna get under that.
as you can see, this is like
Okay, but
your
wait.
risk. You're able to make a lot more money on
Yeah,
these ones.
keep moving your stop loss up, you're gonna make money that way. Okay, just move it up, even if you.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
take it out.
He
Move
already got rid of
Okay,
it.
he's out.
That away.
14,000, that's the best yet, okay.
If you guys wanted to play the game, you have an extreme potential to do a lot better than everyone else and to win the indicators.
Yeah.
So if you were looking for a good chance to do really well, this would be a very good chance to do very well and win some truly amazing indicators and licenses to free trading websites. This is called the precision divergence buy. And the way this works is that there's another indicator. It's based off the indicator you can win for free, getting a trading IQ score above 1200 called the demand index. And the way it works is if there's a difference between the price, like the price volume. So if the price is decreasing, but the demand index is either not decreasing, like it's staying flat, or it's going up, there's a divergence between the price, which is going down, and like an increasing demand. So basically that's showing you that people are buying into like a weakening stock, which would project an eventual increase up. And as you can see, when you have a major spike like this, you then get some very positive results right after these come up. So it's basically showing you like when other people are getting into the stock. So Roger came up with a lot of these articles and all these indicators, and like this is the product guide here, and if you click on that, you actually, so these are the different compatibility, like there's the different platforms that it works well with. So you have multi-charts, TradeStation, and NinjaTrader, and so you just click on it, and then so these are where he talks about all the different indicators you can use and which platforms it's compatible with. So, and if you click on any of them, it can talk about like how much it costs and and also how the indicator works. I believe 2021 is the top score you can get. So, and at that point, if you're tied with anyone else, it would go to the person with the highest equity.
And I spent a long time right around here, like being a typical trader to a good trader on this game, and always just kind of breaking even, never really. And then recently, I've been able to really focus and kind of sharpen, and I think it's really been helpful to work with Liam, kind of talking about it. And I think it's hard. Trading's hard to do alone, I think. But if you have somebody like the person that you can kind of exchange ideas with and stuff like that, it's really helpful. So our group, the goal of kind of getting us together is to kind of see if we can pool our minds together and come up with some great ideas.
And yeah, being able to talk to other people about the game and like what type of strategy